Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put a picture on the background for your Loom video. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to locate the top right corner of your Loom interface. You'll see a button that says New Video. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the process of creating your video recording. This opens up the recording options for you to choose from. Once you click that, you'll be presented with several recording modes. For this tutorial, you'll want to select Record a Video. This option allows you to customize your video settings before you actually start recording, which is exactly what we need to add that background image. Now, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll notice an option called Effects. Click on it to access Loom's visual customization features. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to enhancing your video's appearance and adding those professional touches that make your content stand out. After clicking on Effects, look for an option labeled Canvas and click on it. The Canvas feature is specifically designed to give you control over your video layout and background options. This is the tool that will allow you to add pictures and customize how your video looks to viewers. At this point, you'll see a selection of given templates, backgrounds, and layouts that Loom provides. Take a moment to browse through these options. You'll find various professional-looking backgrounds and layout styles that can completely transform how your video appears. These templates are designed to help you create polished, engaging content without needing any design skills. Simply click on any template, background, or layout that catches your eye and fits the style you're going for. Whether you want something professional for a work presentation, something creative for a tutorial, or something casual for a quick message, there's likely an option that works for you. Once you click on your chosen option, Loom will immediately show you a preview of how your video will look with that background applied. This preview gives you a chance to see yourself on camera with the background in place, so you can make sure everything looks exactly how you want it before you commit to recording. If you're happy with how it looks, you can start recording right away and create your video with that custom background. And that's it. You've successfully added a picture background to your Loom video, giving it a more polished and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.